Hi, ma'am. I'm so happy to be with you. Yes, I'm on cloud nine after seeing you. I just need to get the vibrance, the resplendent from you. You're resplendent like anything.
Thank you so much, Mahalakshmi. I'm also overexcited, super duper happy and thrilled to be here on your channel today. We had been planning for so long. First, I was planning to connect with your daughter, then we planned to connect together, and then finally, today is the day when today we could make that. And then I am here with you. Today, my two students are not there, so I felt let me make the most of this day, and that's how I gave you also time, Nimisha also time. I'm feeling really elated and happy that I am here and I could spend some time with Mahalashmi. So thank you so
Okay.
much for inviting me on your channel. It's all my pleasure, and I hope that this conversation takes a good turn.
Yes, of course. That you are a mellophile and bibliophile. You love hearing songs and you listen to songs, and also you are reading books. You like reading books also. I am also
Mhm.
the same. I also love reading books and I also
Hmm.
want to hear songs always. I want to
Mhm.
be with the music always. So I would like to
Hmm.
know some reading hacks or methods from you, ma'am. So I have prepared some questions I would like to ask you.
Very good. I'm all
Yes.
ears.
Okay, ma'am. Know that today is your wedding anniversary. I really wish you for that wonderful day. Yes, ma'am. May God showers you all the prosperity, wealth, and everything, ma'am. All the goods in your life, for your life.
Thank you so much. I have no grudge. I have no, I feel that God has given me more than what I expected. So
Yes.
I don't wish anything more. What I just wish is whatever way the life is going, just let it be like this. I don't
Mm,
want like it should shine like anything. It's going perfectly well and I'm enjoying this life. So it's
okay,
God
ma'am.
has given me everything. Maybe it's blessings of somebody, elders, youngers, whatsoever, but I'm really enjoying my life, Mahalashmi. So
Okay,
thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nevertheless, yeah,
Okay.
like your wishes mean a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. So I have some questions, ma'am, regarding books, reading books.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. So, does reading books really improve speaking, ma'am? Reading English book really improves speaking?
Question is good.
Okay, ma'am.
See, reading is something that doesn't only improve your English in one area, it
Okay.
improves in multiple areas. First thing, in today's scenario, reading is, books are your best friends.
Okay.
Nobody has time for you. This fact is to be accepted now.
Okay.
Neither your husband nor your children, nobody is free for you. They are all
Yes.
there in the same house, under the same roof, but still they are not free for you
Mm,
because they have one laptop, they have one mobile, and they have internet. All right.
mm,
So these three things are making the life so different and so difficult, or you
okay.
can say so easy. It's up to you. How do you take your life?
Okay.
For today's generation, oh, it's very good. Life is treating well because I have my mobile. I can make myself busy, doom scrolling. I can watch whatever I want. I can laugh alone. I can cry alone. I can show all my emotions alone. But for me, if you ask, I feel like connecting people like you. So reading is something like it's not only about it enhances your vocabulary,
Okay,
it
ma'am.
gives you correct sentence structure. Yeah.
Mm,
This is
yes.
very important. Sometimes we doubt our own sentence structures,
Correct.
whether the sentence I have made is right or wrong. Then we feel like checking it on maybe ChatGPT. I have made this sentence. I want to say this. Is it right? 100% right, 90% right. And then ChatGPT tells you it's understandable, but gives you 5 to 6 more steps and more structures that this is how you can use now.
Yes.
Okay. So in place of checking on ChatGPT or any other AI tool, reading gives you all those kinds of structures. And then you learn certain words, certain phrases and idioms in the context. that
Mm.
how that particular word can be used in what context. Sometimes we know one word and we feel like this can be used in every situation. For example, Hindi.
Mm.
Hindi is like kholo is something, kholo, khol do, open.
Okay.
So for parda kholo, also open, bottle kholo, also open. If you say this, it is wrong.
Okay.
It is
Wrong.
wrong because English and Hindi, these are two different languages and they
Mm.
need different words. All
Okay.
right. So that's how we get to know, okay, if you have to say certain things, then how it has been described in the book. So
Correct.
reading helps you to spend your quality time,
Mm.
the first priority, I feel,
Okay.
for me.
Mm.
And secondly, you build one habit, one healthy habit. You will never, never ever feel isolated, or you will not find void in your life, because always the book is there with you. Book is your best friend. You can open any page and you can start. I have 3 to 4 books. All bookmarks are placed. Sometimes I read one book, sometimes I read another book. I read Hindi book, I read English book. Not to improve my language, actually. Now I just read to spend my quality time if I have time. But I find time constraints. I'm not giving much time, sufficient time to reading, whereas
Mm.
I should. So reading is something that gives you overall development in one language, whatever language you are reading. But when it comes to speaking, it doesn't help you speaking. It gives you
Okay.
structure, it gives you
Okay.
words, but it doesn't help you speaking.
Mm.
Okay, for speaking, you have to open your mouth, and
Mouth.
then those quality time you have spent for reading, that would certainly work then.
Mm. Yes. Sometimes you may wonder where I'm getting all these words, where I'm using, from where I'm using all this sentence structure. I haven't used these words before, but I now I'm using it as a hand. So you will
Right,
wonder after reading a book, right, ma'am? You can
right,
broaden
right,
your
right.
horizon
Yeah,
by reading
horizon,
books.
right. True, true,
Yes.
true.
And reading also, you are going to get the best of both worlds. Like you can
Hmm.
improve your reading habit as well as it is going to help you to find some vocabulary, idioms, and you will be able to use them in a context based, not
Right,
by just
right,
by knowing the meaning. Yeah. Yes,
right,
ma'am.
right.
Okay.
True.
So could you tell us about your reading habit, ma'am? When did you start reading regularly? How has it become a part of your daily routine?
Hmm. Question is very nice.
Thank you.
Actually, when I was a child, what I remember is my father was the role model, I think. He
Okay.
was into reading. Early in the morning, his day used to start with the newspaper, a cup of tea and newspaper. And that's how he started asking us when we were in even class 2, 3, 4. Read English newspaper. And in the evening, when he used to come back from the office, he used to ask, what did you read? How many words did you learn?
Okay.
Can you use that word in your own sentence now? Can you tell me the spelling? Spell particular word. Use in
Mm.
different context. So that's how it started in my childhood.
Okay.
But in between somewhere, I was lost in my own life. Maybe you know that family responsibility is something you don't get time to keep up your passion.
Mm.
So somewhere reading faded because then I started reading my course book, syllabus book, what I had to teach in the school.
Okay.
So every day I had to prepare the lesson plan, and I had to, just because you know that every year the producers, the, okay, what do we call? Producers only.
Academic,
No,
ma'am.
no, those who
Syllabus
syllabus changes, and that's how the books are revised. Actually, the
revised.
editions are revised every year.
Okay.
Okay. As a result, you need to, being a teacher, you need to at least once check what you
Yes.
are going to teach your students today, although the
Mm.
book remains same. I
Mm.
taught Gulmohar as a literature book for nearly 10 years.
Okay.
10 years, but every year a new story or the arrangement of the chapters was different. The poems were somewhere maybe introduced new poems, somewhere the questions were different. So that's how we need to check. Then I started somewhere into preparing syllabus things. Children were young. I was reading my children's book also in order to teach them because I was an art student. And when it came to explain physics and chemistry and biology, I used to read those things. And I did not have this YouTube and Chat GPT where I could have asked back then, please explain human body, please explain, okay, what is cos theta, sin theta. Nothing
Tan
was of
theta
that sort.
is
Yeah. So I started going through the books, the explanation before the chapter. I started solving those math sums, and that's how I started teaching. So I can't say that I was uh, reading for my passion, but I was reading for the need of the
need.
time.
Mm.
Need of the time. I had to teach my children because I never sent my children for
Any
tuition
tuition.
for a single day, even for a single day. They
Okay.
cracked their MBA, they cracked their engineering. They are now well settled, but they can't say that they spent a single penny for tuition. Not at all. So that's
Okay.
how I was reading. But now I feel like reading more and more, but again, I don't get time due to my classes and due to other responsibilities as
Mm.
well. But still, reading is something, it always gives me immense pleasure.
Okay. Got it.
Mm.
Okay. What are some of the books you have read that have stayed with you for a long time?
Mm.
Which ones would you recommend for beginners as well? Your first question, ma'am. What are some of the books you have read that have stayed with you for a long time?
Mhm. See, Mahalashmi, people suggest many hi-fi books these days. Okay. But I would certainly tell you, I didn't read something specifically hearing from someone.
Okay, ma'am.
What I read is always what interested me, what
Okay.
I was into. Like, I liked reading those things. Recently, I read one book, Ibn Battuti. It was a Hindi book. It's a Hindi book, not was.
Okay.
It's a Hindi book. But it has a wonderful story, a family story. What I do is, I also read Sudha Murthy's 3000
Stitches.
Stitches, okay? Atomic Habit.
Mm.
But
James
I
Clear.
don't consider like if I tell somebody that this book is very helpful, you read, that works. I feel that you read whatever attracts you, whatever
Okay.
appeals you. Any even class 3, 4, 5 story books.
Mm.
Yeah. I read Godan when I was somewhere in intermediate.
Okay,
It,
ma'am.
it was again by Munshi Premchand, and it was a Hindi novel. I read that. So I don't say that I have read so many books, but I am into reading and I usually read Hindi books.
Okay, ma'am.
So when it comes to beginners
Mm.
for improving their English,
Mm.
they must start with the story books. Any story book, even Panchtantra. Take
Okay.
the example of Panchtantra. Lovely stories. Every story has some deep meaning.
Mm.
It will add some value in your life, and you will get somewhere some very simple sentences where you will build your confidence thinking, oh, this is English. I can speak this. This is very simple.
Okay.
Okay. So this is what I suggest.
Okay,
Don't
ma'am.
go for others' recommendation. That's other has recommended, so I should read this book. Try to find out your own interest
Mm. Correct, ma'am.
and
The
choose that book.
genre is
Your
second
genre. Yes.
genre is,
Yes.
of course.
And then it is not like I read Hindi books also. I always try to explain those contexts in English.
Mm. Got it. Got it, ma'am.
You might have seen recently I added a few stories on my channel.
Okay.
Stories I read somewhere in
Okay,
Hindi.
ma'am.
In
Yes.
Hindi. I translated them into English. And that's how. Just
Okay. Have you ever read a book that deeply touched your heart or changed the way you think?
yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. And that is the book. I would take the name of 3000 Stitches.
Okay.
It's written by Sudha Murthy ji. When I completed this book, I understood the meaning of life. Yes, life is not all about just enjoying your own self.
Mm.
Life is something what you can add to others' life. This one value I learned from this book. I can't become Sudha Murthy ji, but to whatever I can add to someone's life that gives me happiness and that gives me a different approach towards life.
Yes, ma'am. Correct. And for me, this book apprenticed to a Himalayan master, an
Okay. Oh,
autobiography of a Himalayan master. And this
okay.
book completely changed my mindset.
Okay, what is this book all about,
Ma'am,
Maharashtra?
we realized our own Hindu culture, about our gurus, about our saints, about the importance, the significance of Himalayas, the yogis. So he all the way went to Himalaya and he saw some of the yogis there and he narrated everything in this book. My perception has completely changed after reading this book. It's somewhat different, ma'am. Is
I
it's
understood. I understood.
Yes.
Now I can correlate. I read nearly 30 years back a book, एक योगी की आत्मकथा.
Okay, ma'am.
एक योगी की आत्मकथा. So that was also somewhere related to the same. What is the importance of yoga, meditation, pranayama? Okay, how it changes your perspective towards life, towards
Yes.
society.
Mm,
Okay, so
yes.
that book really changed my. I
Mm,
started seeing the society with different lens after reading that book.
reading, yes, ma'am. See, it was not for beginners. See, when I was reading this book, I was a beginner in reading. I did not
Mhm.
know most of the words. Even from first page, I used to search a dictionary for moving to the next paragraph. But I did not leave this book, ma'am. I had this book for almost 6 or 7 months. So I was reading this continuously, deliberately, and at last I was able to understand English language, insights, profound knowledge, and so many things for my life.
Right, 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 right. And that's
Yes,
the reason of reading now, because when you are working on your communication skills, it means you have to learn every day something new.
correct.
And when you are reading and you are getting certain words, those words, maybe you are not actively using them, but still they are somewhere passively there in your mind. So
Correct.
whenever you feel like, at least you will understand those words. If somebody
Mm.
speaks in front of you, you will not go blank that, oh, what is this word? I don't know. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
reading has
Okay,
a great role.
great role. What books are you reading currently, ma'am? What is it about, and why did you choose this book?
Honestly speaking, Mahalakshmi, at present for past 2 months, I have not been reading anything because
Okay,
3 classes in the morning, three
okay.
classes in the evening,
Evening.
and then apart from that, your channel, editing, recording, and then family life. I have
Mm,
just because I feel when I buy a book for reading and I don't get sufficient time to read, I start going into negative. What am
oh,
I doing? I'm not able to find out time. What is life? Life has become hell. So these days I'm not reading, but still, I think I should start if I get time. And especially, I read when I go to my children's place
okay, ma'am.
because they have a huge library.
Mm,
So unknowingly, I pick any book
books. Mm,
and just I start reading. May it be something related to technology, something related to, and they read some all awarded books and the
mm,
books which are. So I mean, it's difficult for me to understand, but still
mm.
I try to read because
Try.
there I have sufficient time.
Mm,
Here,
correct.
literally, I always struggle for. I always feel that I'm time deprived. I don't have time.
Okay, ma'am.
These days,
Now
I'm
I'm
not
reading
really
this
reading.
book, And There Were None, and Then There Were None by Agatha Christie.
Oh, a heavy book. It's a heavy book.
Yes, ma'am. It's a thriller book. I got it
Good.
from library, from my nearby library, and I have started this last night and just completed one chapter.
How many days do you take to complete one book?
Ma'am, it depends. It
Really?
depends on the story, the size, my
Hmm.
time, and all.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. So mostly
Yeah.
within a month or within 2 days, within a week. So it completely
Hmm.
different, ma'am. I cannot say.
Oh,
And I have
oh.
started journaling my books, reading books from this year. So
Mhm.
about books, author, the kind of content I have learned from that book, and some key points. So I have been doing that, ma'am,
No,
recently.
wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good,
Okay.
good.
Many readers, learners read books but still struggle to speak, ma'am. Why do you think that happens?
Mm. This is what I think initially I told you
Yes, ma'am.
about.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
What
yes.
happens is that reading, comprehending the language is something quite different from speaking,
Okay.
because we need to train our muscles, and
Mm,
that we totally ignore by not speaking. So you know that this is the sentence, but you hesitate to speak in front of someone, because first step is always very difficult, and we always feel, what if I go wrong? What if my pronunciation goes wrong? It's better to manage with the
mm,
native language, maybe Hindi or
mm,
whatever. That's all. So they struggle because they have not been into speaking. Speaking comes by speaking, and they need to speak. They
mm,
need to overcome their challenges, that difficult, whatever fearful things are there in their mind. If I speak, somebody would make fun of me, somebody would start judging me. Throw them out
okay.
and jump into the real,
Real.
real life conversation.
Got it, ma'am.
That is important.
Yes, speaking. Speaking is important for
Speaking,
speaking.
very important, very important.
Yes.
Start with two words, but start. Don't think that I'm not able to speak. I understand, I read, I can watch movie, and I understand everything. Why am I not able to speak? Because you are not speaking.
Yes.
Simple funda.
Correct, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. My last question, ma'am. How can
Yes.
beginners read without feeling overwhelmed?
Mm, right. How can beginners read? The
Yes, ma'am.
first question, overwhelming, you leave about.
Okay, ma'am.
Reading is something that it's a kind of habit.
Okay.
Everybody cannot read.
Okay.
You can be a very good speaker.
Okay, ma'am.
You can be very knowledgeable. But it's not important that you are an avid reader too.
Okay.
So reading is a kind of habit. If you inculcate reading, then you learn many things, but when you are into it. So beginners, they always struggle, like whether I should read a story. I should read when I see, oh, Mahalakshmi was showing such heavy books, very fantastic name. I should read this book. Then they feel a kind of anxiety in their mind. Oh, somebody is reading, ma'am said this name, Mahalakshmi showed me those two books. It's easier to start with maybe story books. Read
Hmm.
newspaper one paragraph daily.
Okay, ma'am.
You will find it very difficult. Newspaper English is not simple. But just keep on reading, keep on reading, keep on reading. And the time will come and you will understand, oh, now I have started understanding. Some words you can underline, some words you can find. They feel because they don't understand. And they don't understand because they don't read. So it's all interconnected. It's all
Yes.
interconnected. Start reading, enjoy the process.
Hmm.
Huh? Don't keep a very hi-fi target. I have to complete so and so book in a week or two. Go smoothly, easily, whatever is comfortable. I mean, don't be very harsh about yourself. Okay? Read comfortably. Get into the habit of reading first.
Hmm. Okay, ma'am.
And then self motivation.
Hmm.
Don't get motivated today because Manju ma'am said, or Mahalakshmi said, reading is important. You have to stay self-motivated. That 5 lines, I have to read every day. Start with 5 lines. Why people fail? Because they keep a huge target in front of them. I have to read at least 10 pages every day.
Mm.
You are a social animal. Okay, you have other responsibilities as well. No
Okay.
matter whether you are a school going, you are a homemaker, you are a professional, everybody is busy with their own responsibilities.
Correct.
We say children have no responsibility. They have greater responsibilities than us.
Mm.
Class work, homework, mama work, tuition work,
Yes.
dancing class, guitar class. This so many things these days children are also doing.
Correct.
Okay. So set a small goal, feasible goal for yourself. Start reading, and then probably it will become easier.
Correct. Yes. First, I would say that you don't pressurize and don't see the social society that see they are reading, they are showing some books. I also want to read.
Right.
You have it for certain days or certain months, and afterwards, if you feel that okay, you are okay with that, you can continue this habit. Otherwise, you can very well leave this and you can concentrate on some other thing.
Yes,
Yes.
see, so openly I told in front of public, this video is going in public, that I have not been reading for past many months
Months is.
because I don't get time.
Mm.
So it's fine. I do not feel embarrassed before saying this because I'm not doing.
Mm.
So it's fine.
Correct, ma'am.
Your
Yes.
life, your choice.
Choice is do everything with almost interest.
Right, right. And then
Okay.
that work becomes easier for you.
Easier.
When
Mm.
you do forcefully because somebody has told you, then it becomes a task for you.
Task, target, and everything.
Ah, yes, right, right,
Okay, ma'am.
Mahalakshmi.
That's
Lovely
all, ma'am.
questions, Mahalakshmi, you had prepared for me, and I enjoyed, although I was so caught up today, but
Yes.
still, I
Yes.
loved. I had a session with Nimisha also, and with you also. So today I'm super duper happy that I could manage 2 sessions today.
Okay.
Apart from my classes, already I have managed 3 classes.
Yes. And your English is superb, ma'am. It's really like I would like to hear your English, your speech, pronunciation, lines, and everything, ma'am. I
My
think this
English
is
is
because
not
of
that,
practice.
Mahalakshmi. My English is understandable, manageable, but somewhere I just want to stay connected with this language, and because of that, we have been doing whatever we are doing, and it's all about my interest. I love doing it. The other things are not my forte. I can't engross myself if you ask me to do something related to beauty, something related to cooking, and then showcasing on YouTube. I can't do that. As I have, ever since I have started my YouTube channel, I feel that somewhere my days are going productive. I am growing and glowing with time, learning the process. The process I'm enjoying actually, in short.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what is much more important.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Thank you
in the
so
same
much
way, I
for my.
enjoyed all your questions.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your valuable time. And I would like to connect with you after some time, ma'am, after 2 or 3 months. Thank you for
Sure,
your
sure.
kind
Even I
words
have to
and
find out time to connect with your daughter as well.
okay,
It's a
ma'am.
long-awaited session. I
Yes.
feel so sorry about when
It's
I'm not able to manage time.
it's okay, ma'am. It's okay. We'll have it, ma'am. Thank you so much,
Uh,
ma'am. Have a great day. My best wishes for you and sir, ma'am. Convey my regards
Thank
as
you so
well.
much.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for
Okay.
everything, Mahalakshmi.
Okay.
Bye-bye.